Nike shares down double digits, having a 90-point negative impact on the Dow this morning, so having a big impact on the markets. Give us a sense. Nike beat on earnings, but of course lowered their revenue expectations. Is that what's really weighing on the stock, or is it something else?
Yeah, look, I'm not surprised this has been the reaction, and also this was Nike's plan going forward. We've seen this actually from quite a lot of brands and retailers during earnings season, where they have decided to cut costs, and it's really to navigate during a very volatile consumer backdrop as we go into 2024 and really protect margins. So I'm not surprised. I do feel the investor community has been very bullish on Nike. It has been very positive overall. It is still a great brand, and they were likely expecting something better. And obviously, again, I think it's a prudent approach going forward.
All right, so you're not surprised. Obviously, investors don't like it right now, but long term, do you think this is a wise decision to narrow the?
I think so.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Sorry, no, go.
Well, just narrowing the product line. Nike's facing a lot of competition from rivals like a Hoka and On Cloud. Reducing assortment, is that the answer right now as you're seeing competition heat up?
Yeah, so if we analyze what Nike's assortment is, it is very large. There's a lot of product. There's a lot of different categories they go to. So you have football, you have golf, the list goes on. When you want to have, what you really want to have is a product assortment that is productive. So you want to reduce anything that is not a bestseller, something that isn't necessarily of interest to the consumer. So you want to make sure that you have the best product assortment in store that is going to attract consumers and remove anything that isn't. Obviously, they've had inventory to be down. They've been managing that very well. They've talked about promotions, but those promotions have actually been minimal. And again, they've been protecting margin as much as they can, which we saw that to be really weigh in this quarter and part of the plan going forward.
All right, so there were some positives. We don't only want to focus on the negatives and the cost cutting. Jordan and the women's business, women now about 40% of all consumers for Nike products. Longer term, how should investors view that?
That, I believe, is still a growth channel, women's, Jordan, and the running category overall. Right. With women's, we've seen a lot of innovation, really focusing on what is in need for the women's consumer product. And that has really generated a lot of women interest. Again, a product that suits women. It's not necessarily just for men, or keeping the male mindset intact for the product. It makes sense. With the Jordan as well, there's a lot of growth. They've been tapping into other categories, so that's always great.
Yeah, the company also highlighted a potential sales boost from the Olympics. You mentioned the running category. Again, Nike shares down double digits, but I want to broaden this discussion into what Nike's results, what do they mean for the overall retail sector? Our Courtney Reagan has more on what to watch in retail for 2024.
Well, 2023 was an active year for retail. Even with increasing macroeconomic headwinds, the U.S. consumer proved resilient. In 2024, perhaps that will change. Some multi-category retailers have called out softness in apparel and home goods this year. Home Depot called 2023 the year of moderation. So Fitch predicts 2024 will continue to pressure retailers exposed to those same discretionary categories as consumers favor spending on travel and experiences instead. Then again, to that point, tourist spending could present opportunities for retail. The Business of Fashion and McKinsey predict international tourism will grow 10% in 2024 over 2019 levels, back when it was most normal. And those tourists are traveling to the U.S. with the intent to shop. And while artificial intelligence has long existed in retail, particularly for product suggestions online, expect to see 2024 deliver even more personalized, targeted ads or suggested products powered by AI on retail sites and on your social networks. Machine learning will also help retailers improve inventory management and uncover cost efficiencies harder for human analysis to detect. Frank?
I got some great human analysis there from our Courtney Reagan. Thank you to her. Jessica, I want to come back over to you. What's your outlook for retail next year, and do you have a top pick?
Yeah, so with 2024, we do feel the first half will be mirrored by what we've seen in 2023 in the second half. Consumers have continued to be quite cautious with their spend, and a lot of brands and retailers have been responding to that by being quite conservative with their outlook and also the way that they're managing their business. So I don't feel that will necessarily change. Obviously, we have still a very tough consumer backdrop and also a lot of geopolitical issues going forward. With as far as favorite categories, we still believe wellness and beauty are top, wellness being in anything that is apparel and also footwear, and within beauty, anything that is wellness as well. So that tends to be still where we see the consumer spend when they are spending, when they decide. And also, as far as favorites, we still quite like Ulta, we like Lulu, we like Dick's. Again, so any of these retailers that are managing better with these sort of categories is really our top pick for 2024.